Welcome back everyone, and in this lecture we are going to play with variables. In later videos I think I have explained everything what you need to know, and now from this point uh, you will have power to play with these variables. You will know something from JavaScript. So let's get started. We will create a variable. I forgot to say, this lecture I will show you last last thing what you can do, and from this point you will learn something, I hope. So for example, I equals, okay, let's write my mom, and var y equals likes to cook. Okay, dot here and my mom with capital M. And now let's end it. Document dot write, and here we just simply type I and Y, and maybe you can guess what I'm going to do right here. So basically I've created these two variables and I've assigned these two strings to them, and now we want to connect them to create a sentence. This is one sentence. So when we want to output it, we just simply write names of our variables, and between them plus operator. So we connect them like this. When we refresh, my mom likes to cook. We see, uh, just odd space here, and you see, my mom likes to cook. This is pretty easy, I would say. Maybe you can have some questions. You can ask me, whatever you want. So now, this is like a starting point for you when you already know something. And now I have idea. We can also do this with numbers. So I would say this is 1, this is 2. I was talking about mathematical operation, I think 2 videos later, so you can check it out. And here will be 2. We are So this is number. This is not string. This is number. And now we are going to make one of these mathematical operation. So I1 y2 and var this will be equals 1 plus 2. This is like a normal plus, not like this one. With this plus we're connecting variables and strings, and with this plus it's a mathematical operator. So yeah, keep that in mind. And now we can do it like this. So I plus, don't forget to add also plus here because we are connecting this variable to this string, this new string. Also, this string we are connecting with another variable called y, and this y we are connecting with another string where is equals, and we are connecting with another variable called equals, and I think this is correct now, and when we refresh it, we see our result. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. And now, as you can see, I will explain it to you. This is I, this is our plus here, and y equals to 2 equals, and our variable equals do the mathematical operation, so 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Also, we can do this with, for example, decimal numbers. So 2.5, 2.5, and we can do some intermediate little magic here. So we will write here I plus y. If we are tired to copy and paste these two numbers, so we do it like this. And when we refresh, that's 5.